All right. So this is gonna be another weekly outlook video. Last time I made a weekly outlook video, it absolutely was fake as shit, bro. Uh, so basically, I was looking for Nasdaq to drop around the 25K zones because of the war, but uh, for some fucking reason, we just pumped all the way and just keep printing all-time highs. Now, not saying that this is a bad thing. This is a great opportunity for everyone trading in general. And personally, I have adapted to these conditions. So, okay, first of all, last week I pretty much predicted the whole week's move. I called out in my Discord that this would be a high time frame AMD, which ended up playing out perfectly. So first of all, we had Monday right here. Hold up. Opening up on Monday, we just chopped around. After this, to me, it was pretty fucking clear where we were going. Definitely some sort of internal range. And pretty much tapped into this 4 hour, lined up with 7-9 out the range. It did get edged though, but yeah. And after this, I knew it was low of the week, so just look for longs after that. So after Tuesday, your bias should have been long fully. And that's just how you trade these all-time high conditions. Okay, going into this next week's bias, we had a sweep of previous week highs, closing below the wick and closing bearish. So what I'm looking for is a tap into this weekly, sweeping this daily low, and I want to see some sort of SMT with ES. So either we tap into this weekly on ES, or we tap into it in NQ. I just want to see some sort of SMT with these lows. Now we're going to the 4 hour. We're still maintaining. Uh, I mean, not really. We're not really bullish. We broke this low, and this is just an intermediate low. No, I'm just looking forward to this low to be taken out. Can actually use standard deviation over here. Yep. This lines up with the fair value gap. We can also take. Let me see. Uh, mm, Take it off this range. Yeah, the CE looks decent. We can take it off this range actually. Yeah, this weekly fair value gap lines up with zero point 0.5 of this range. So I'm gonna be looking forward uh for us to tap in this zone on NQ, but we leave it on ES, which will form this SMT perfectly. And on Monday, I would be expecting for a small retrace up into here. But maybe this was our retrace and we're not getting another one. So either we retrace back into this. Nah, not really. I don't think we're retracing back up. We already filled zero point 0.5 of the range and we rejected off that. So I don't think we're gonna go back higher. Let's see though. Yeah, 88 looks good. So, wait a minute. Yeah, lines up with the POC of this bounce range. Let's see what PD raise we got on there. Hmm. This order block, I guess. I mean breaker. Yeah, lines up with the 88 also of the breaker. If we do get a deep retrace, I want to see it on this level. But to be honest, if we were retracing this deep, I would not really find another reason for us to react off that and then dump again. I, I I would just expect us to just run through this level, take out all-time highs again. But a possibility is for us to take out this range, because this is a pretty big range too, 400 point range almost. You can see this happening. Uh, Tap in the zone. Yeah, either the top of that or the 7-9 of the range. Can look for deviations here also, like find one that lines up. Yep, top of it lines up. So maybe this range, I mean this level could work. But then again, either we react off this and then tap into the fair value gap, or we just continue higher, sweep this, and maybe form an SMT with ES, and then we dump. So those are the three scenarios. Either we retrace all the way up. Oh fuck. Either we retrace all the way up into this level and then dump, or retrace. Oh my days, bro. Or we retrace to this level and then dump. Or the final scenario is we sweep this high, make SMTs with ES, and just dump after that. We just gotta see on Monday. Or if this fucking market's unpredictable as shit, we can just go all the way all to all-time highs during AG on Monday. But what I want to see next week is definitely a tap into this weekly with an SMT. When the SMT forms, that would be low of the week. So yeah. Now to find levels for low of the week, can use this deviation. Go on the 4 hour. Not really much. Maybe the yeah, this was filled. Got an NWOG here, which is unfilled, but I doubt we go all the way down there. That's like 1,000 points. But yeah, that's pretty much my weekly bias. I don't see a dump on Monday and Tuesday, or Monday only, into this weekly form SMTs with ES, and that's the low of the week pretty much that I'm looking at. Or if Asia just takes all time highs, I'm gonna just keep trading whatever range forms. I